was made. Something I had to earn, but it's water in the morning, letting my body learn. This clean skin, soft light, this rest that shows in my eyes. It's how I hold my shoulders when I stop living rushed. I don't chase it, I make space for it. I come back to myself. That's a woman's glow, not loud, but you can feel it. That's a woman's glow. When I'm calm, it gets realer. That's a woman's glow. When I take my time, it's a light I don't chase. It's a light I find. The real glow comes from inside. When I don't need proof, when I say no without guilt, and I still keep my peace. It's being kind, staying sharp. It's knowing what I allow. It's moving slow on purpose and standing solid now. I protect my energy. I don't pour it out for free. I keep my center. That's a woman's glow, not loud, but you can feel it. That's a woman's glow. When I'm calm, it gets realer. That's a woman's glow. When I take my time, it's a light I don't chase. It's a light I find. Capri Luna, I stay steady. I don't beg the world to see. I don't need the room to crown me. I know what's in me. That's a woman's glow. It's health and it's healing. That's a woman's glow. It's truth and it's meaning. That's a woman's glow. When I live it right, it's a light I don't chase. Sense of my own light. Capri Luna. Capri Luna. Capri Luna. Blue raindrop falling down, finding a way to the ground.